um, stream thingamajig. I don't know what's going on with this, but I thought it was time really to do a little update really. Well, it's Saturday and normally I have a live stream of some kind to do. But at the moment I am still in the process of well, winding more coils, but as you can see I've got the first layer of wire on the new extra, a bit longer bobbins. I've done one there and I've got this rubber on which is to reduce the noise, which I've got to trim that off. I have to trim off this rubber afterwards. I use scissors and I just go around the rim and trim it, and I don't do that until I put all the coils on, otherwise the rubber will pull itself back and then it'll be difficult to wind without the rubber getting in the way. So I'll show you what I'm doing. I started this first spool of the new Ford, which I'm actually doing at the moment, but it's these dark nights are getting to me. I've just been lacking energy, and yeah, it's all this CV stuff, yeah, lockdown stuff, and yeah, I feel drab and dreary. I want to get on with the project. But you see, ideally I need to swap out my cores really for the secondaries. I was putting in a comment in the previous video. What I would like to do is get some ferrite bars. I'll need to get quite a few of them actually, because that will raise the frequency. I need to stack a whole bunch of ferrite bars running through here. I'll probably have to cut them as well if they're the wrong length, to increase the resonant frequency so that they're more in resonance with the 2.5 kilohertz, which this thing seems to like. Because obviously I've got the ferrite toroidal things on the actuator coils going through up to the corner laminations, which are steel. Obviously it would be virtually impossible really to get a ferrite corner unless somebody somewhere was to donate some TV line output transformers that are made out of ferrite to me, because you can't get your hands on them these days. I don't know anybody. I mean, the trouble is that it's becoming a rare commodity that now. Most stuff's now LCD, crystal, LCD and LED backlights and all that stuff. So I mean, yeah, there's no CRTs that I know that are kicking about really. That I've got a CRT color monitor for the bedroom, which I don't want to scrap because I need it. It works, so I'm not going to scrap that just for this. But anyway, I thought I'd do a little update. I've actually got one of my chucks that I wound on a ferrite too on the one of the input, the two coils. This basically delays the frequency pulse onto two of these coils, and the capacitors that are on the other side give me a little bit of advance on the pulse signal going in. So the two capacitors in series, well, I've got this in series with a bunch of capacitors up here actually. There's actually three underneath that. Can't really see them properly because I'll move that out of the way. There's actually three. Those three are in series, and this one is this other one here, which I'm holding in my fingers, is actually in series with that capacitor, which is going up to those ones that are three legs. What I've just done, I've just gone and pulled some off, I think. Well, my input power just dropped, so what the hell have I done? Oh, the wires just come off there. Where was that connected now? Well, it was on that one, on the white one. I have to put it back on there. So, oh, just a minute, give me a sec. I'll stick this on the stand a minute. So, I'll put that on there a minute. Is it that one? No, that's the wrong one. It's that leg. Come off. This white one. Things keep falling off on here, but yeah, I've got that back on now because my output current is going up again. Anyway, yeah, I've been running some little tests, but nothing much at the moment because I can't really move forward until I get them core materials sorted out and get them other coils wound as well. So I thought I'd do a little update. Nothing too much happening at the moment. I've been actually watching a bit of snooker, actually. Been chilling out on a bit of snooker because it's those winter months that you just feel like, well, you don't feel like doing much. I need to get my acting gear, but I can't really order anything anyway. I can't really order the power materials until next week, so I'm not going to rush. I'm not going to rush things, and I can probably spend my time winding those new coils, which I showed you a bit ago. That would probably take me 8 hours, or maybe about 7 hours. It took me 7 hours last time. Probably take me 8 hours or more this time because they're actually slightly bigger. So I was going to put more turns on them as well. So I'm doing them in it, and I'm doing them in increments so that I'm not giving myself, stressing myself out too much, because it is kind of boring actually winding coils. When you wound one, you kind of wound them all. you know what I mean? It's not much fun really. So anyway, yeah, I'll try and keep you posted. I might, if there's any updates, I'll try and put some stuff in the description of the video, any updated news. But yeah, there's not much point doing videos at the moment until I've got some something new to show you, really. You know, when I get them coils done, I can obviously do a video on them. So anyway, that's all really for now. It looks like this lockdown business is just dragging on and on and on, and people are starting to get really fed up with it. Everybody's, well, I'm fed up of it as well, because let's face it, more people are going to die from other things, cancer and heart attacks, because they're not getting the treatment they need for those other ailments, and this coronavirus is just kind of taking a precedent over everything, and it's ridiculous really, because there's other things that are more serious going on. Anyway, enough waffle. Talk to you later.